Hi, ladies. All right, we are going to see how to get this app working that we might need to make Wednesday night more helpful. So, first thing, this is what the app looks like. It says Church Center. I went to App Store and I searched Church Planning Center. For mine, it was the second one. And this is what will look like when you open the app. So what you want to go to, if you want to add someone who is interested in joining your group, hopefully that's what a lot of our interest in our mixer activity will generate on Wednesday night. When they meet you, if they say, hey, I'm ready to sign up, you say, well, let's do that right now. So you can get this app, go ahead and have it downloaded before Wednesday night. And then when you have it open, you're going to go to groups. It's this little symbol that has, it looks like a circle with several more circles. So as you can see, I've got several groups here, and my Bible study group your Bible study group should already be in there. Mine is Redemptive Love, so I'm going to check on my group. And then if I go to members on the top right of the bar, you'll see that I am already downloaded as a leader. Amanda's here as a leader. And if I want to add a new member, then I'm just going to click this add button in the bottom right hand corner. So you can click add. And hopefully, if they're interested, they will have a phone with them and they can use this QR code. But you could also click here that says add by email or text. So you can click that and it'll pop up where you can add them that way. Okay? So you might get their number. I may also have paper at your table for you to be able to manually add them yourself. I hope this is helpful to you.